Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sign up for YouTube TV. To get started, simply navigate to the YouTube TV website or launch the application on your preferred device. Look for the prominent Try It Free or Start Free Trial button, which will initiate your subscription journey. Remember, a Google account is essential for this process, so ensure you have one ready or create one if needed. This initial step is quick and straightforward, setting the stage for your new viewing experience. Once you've clicked to start, you'll be prompted to sign in using your Google account. This links your new YouTube TV subscription to your existing Google services. After signing in, you'll see the base plan details, which typically include over 100 channels. Take a moment to explore any optional add-ons, like sports packages or premium movie channels, to customize your viewing experience. Choose the plan that best fits your entertainment needs. Next, you'll need to enter your billing information. This includes your billing address and your preferred payment method. YouTube TV typically accepts major credit and debit cards, making it convenient for most users. Double-check all the details to ensure accuracy, especially your card number and expiration date. This step secures your subscription, though you won't be charged until after your free trial period, which is usually 5 to 7 days. Finally, you'll reach a confirmation page summarizing your chosen plan, any add-ons, and the length of your free trial. Take a moment to review everything one last time. Once you're satisfied, click the Confirm or Subscribe button to finalize your registration. Congratulations! You can now immediately start enjoying live television, on-demand shows, and cloud DVR recordings across all your compatible devices. Happy watching!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.